Hey guys, welcome back. It is now day 5 of our 12 days of homemade Christmas, and today we're going to be making a holiday snack mix. So to start this off, we're going to make some popcorn and we're going to pop it ourselves. We have just a popcorn popper and it's got this little cap. So we're going to do 2 batches of popcorn, but for each batch, 1 cap full of popcorn seeds. And that does not look like a whole lot, but that is going to make around 10 cups of popcorn. So pour that in, and there's a switch on the side, so we're gonna put that and let it go. All right, that's 1 batch of popcorn, so we're just gonna dump this in here and make 1 more. I'm scared. I turned it off and like a couple in the bowl just popped out. All right, that is our 2nd batch. So we're now going to dump it in here. So now we're gonna turn this popcorn into a caramel corn. So the first thing we're gonna do for this is melt some butter. I'm doubling the recipe, so I have 2 cups of butter, which is 4 sticks. So we're going to melt that over medium heat. And that should hopefully melt pretty fast. All right, so our butter has melted all the way. So next we are going to add and stir in about 2 cups of brown sugar. We will link the exact recipe in the description below. You just wanna mix that in all the way. That is mixed pretty well. So we're just going to stir that until it boils. All right, we've reached a pretty good boil. Now we're going to let it cook for 4 minutes without stirring it, and then we will check on it. All right, so it's been 4 minutes, so we are going to add 4 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm just gonna stir that in pretty good. And the thing with this caramel, you do not want to touch it because it will burn and it will stick and keep burning. So it is a lot worse than, say, water. All right, that's stirred in, so we are going to let it sit for another minute. All right, so it's been our last minute, and we are going to stir in a teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure that stirs in really well. And now all we have to do is pour this into the popcorn. So I'll see you over there. All right, with our caramel now freshly made, we're just going to pour this into the popcorn and stir that in really well. All right, next we are going to spread this out on some foil that we set out so that the caramel will dry. So we have that all spread out. So now we're just gonna let it set for a minute so that it can all dry. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, so the caramel has dried. So now we are going biggest to smallest with all the different candies we have, starting with popcorn, getting this all in this big bucket. All right, so now we're going to add our other candies, starting with the pretzels. I'm gonna add a bit of those. And you can just eyeball this, make it however you like. If you like different candies or different ones are available, depending on what time of year you're making this. We made some earlier in the fall and used different kinds of like candy corn. That looks pretty good. So next we're gonna add some Reese's peanut butter cups. Next we're going to add some M&Ms. All right, that looks pretty good. So next, what we gotta do is we've got these cellophane bags that we're going to stick these in. So I will get all these packaged and I'll see you then. All right, now we have 5 finished bags of holiday trail mix. And this is something super fun, super easy. You can do it with pretty much whatever kind of snacks you have around. You can, if you want, you can put like dried fruit in it. You can put all different kinds of candies in it. You can pretty much do whatever you want with this. So it's a very versatile recipe. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell to be notified of all of our future uploads, and we will see you in the next video.